Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn new English words. Let's start learning. Soap. Soap. Soap is a substance that's used with water to cleanse and wash various surfaces, including the skin and objects. I use soap to wash my hands. I use soap to wash my hands. Shampoo. Shampoo. Shampoo is a cleansing agent for the hair and scalp, formulated to eliminate excess oil, dirt, and debris. I buy shampoo at the store. I buy shampoo at the store. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. A toothbrush is a tool with bristles used for cleaning teeth and gums, typically used with toothpaste. His toothbrush is blue. His toothbrush is blue. Razor. Razor. A razor is a cutting instrument designed for removing hair from the skin's surface, typically used in personal grooming. The razor is sharp. The razor is sharp. Toilet. Toilet. A toilet is a fixture typically consisting of a water-flushed bowl and seat, which is used for the disposal of bodily waste. The toilet is clean. The toilet is clean. Towel. Towel. A towel is a fabric or paper absorbent designed for drying oneself or objects after they have been wet. The towel is wet. The towel is wet. Bathtub. Bathtub. A bathtub is an enclosed basin used for immersing and washing the body. They have a new bathtub. They have a new bathtub. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Toilet paper is a gentle and porous material designed for personal hygiene after using the restroom. He needs more toilet paper. He needs more toilet paper. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Toothpaste is a substance in paste or gel form that's applied to a toothbrush to cleanse and care for teeth and gums. The toothpaste tastes minty. The toothpaste tastes minty. Sponge. Sponge. A sponge is a porous material that soaks up liquids efficiently, commonly used for cleaning purposes. The sponge is yellow. The sponge is yellow. Air dryer. Air dryer. A hair dryer, often called a blow dryer, is an appliance that blows heated air to dry and shape hair. He bought a new hair dryer yesterday. He bought a new hair dryer yesterday. Mirror. Mirror. A mirror is a smooth surface, typically made of glass, with a reflective backing that shows an image by reflecting light. Can you clean the mirror? Can you clean the mirror? Bathrobe. Bathrobe. A bathrobe is a loose-fitting garment, often made of absorbent material like terry cloth, that you wear after bathing or showering for warmth and comfort. He wears a bathrobe after his shower. He wears a bathrobe after his shower. Comb. Comb. A comb is an implement with a series of fine teeth for neatening and styling hair. The comb is on the table. The comb is on the table. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. Mouthwash is a cleansing liquid used to refresh breath and kill bacteria in the mouth. She uses mouthwash after brushing her teeth. She uses mouthwash after brushing her teeth. Quiz time!